Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Takes, where we dive into the world of innovative software and tools shaping our digital landscape. Today, we're exploring an exciting project called Gogs, a self-hosted Git service that promises simplicity and flexibility for developers and teams alike. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal with Gogs? Well, for starters, it's all about ease of setup. Imagine being able to set up a personal Git service on your own server without IT headaches. Gogs allows you to do just that. Whether you're running Linux, Mac OS, or even Windows, Gogs is built with Go, making it accessible across various platforms with a straightforward binary distribution. So no matter your tech environment, getting started is a breeze. One of the standout features of Gogs is its user-friendly interface, including a dashboard, profile management, and an activity timeline. This makes it easier for users to keep track of their repositories and collaborate effectively. Speaking of collaboration, Gogs supports access via SSH, HTTP, and HTTPS, meaning your team can seamlessly connect and contribute without hassle. Now let's talk integrations for a moment. Gogs isn't just a standalone tool. It connects with other platforms as well. You can set up webhooks to notify your team on Slack or Discord whenever there's a new pull request or issue update. It's like having a virtual assistant keeping everyone in the loop. But that's not all. Gogs also supports repository management features such as issues, pull requests, and even wiki pages for documentation, putting the power of organization right at your fingertips. Plus, for those of us who are juggling multiple projects, you can migrate and mirror repositories from other code hosts, making it easier than ever to consolidate your workflow. Now, you might be thinking about hardware requirements, right? The great news is that a Raspberry Pi or even a $5 DigitalOcean droplet can be more than enough to host Gogs. If you're running a small team, you can operate smoothly with just 512 megabytes of RAM. But as your team grows, no worries. You can simply scale up your resources without a complicated setup process. Isn't that something? Okay, I can hear some of you asking, what about browser support? Gogs has you covered there too. The smallest screen resolution officially supported is 1024 by 768, making it accessible on most devices, though it may work on smaller screens as well, minus the guarantees. For those of you ready to dive in, there are multiple ways to install Gogs, from binaries, source code, and packages, to running it via Docker. There's even a guide for setting it up on a Raspberry Pi. Talk about versatility. Before I wrap this up, let's take a moment to appreciate the contributors who make this project happen, along with those who help with localization across 31 languages. It's a true community effort. So, whether you're a solo developer looking for a personal Git server or part of a larger team seeking a reliable collaboration tool, Gogs stands out as a strong contender. Imagine in just a few minutes having your very own GitHub-like service tailored to your needs. As we finish, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever considered self-hosting your Git repositories? What challenges do you think you'd face in that journey? As always, thank you for joining us today on Tech Talk Takes. Until next time, happy coding.